Hello guys, in this short video I will show you how to fix this problem right here. So there is 4 commands. Let me show you the first command. Show chassis alarm. So this is basically the error message right there. So the other command is show system storage partition. So the unit boot from here. So and the command to solve this is request system snapshot slice alternate, and this will format the alternate partition, and after that we need to execute the last command, request system reboot slice alternate. This will reboot the unit, complete reboot. So the unit will reboot. Let's double check. CLI, show version, show chassis alarm, show system storage partitions. And now that we can see the active partition right there is this one right here, and boot from this one right here. So that's how do you fix that particular problem in a Juniper EX 4550. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.